Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's video, we're gonna take a look at how to write an essay on ChatGPT. Using these chatbots, you can write about anything that you want, and including essays about any topic. To get started, open up your web browsers and log into your ChatGPT account. Search for chat.openai.com and then tap on login and type in your details. Once you are logged into your ChatGPT, now all you do is give in commands to the chatbot. You can type in your commands like this and then tap on the send button, and the chatbot will start to write an essay for you. If you want more, you can type in something like tell me more, and it's gonna again give you more essay related to your topic. You can make it write just about anything that you want. So here is a quick example on writing an essay on crypto trading. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.